Good morning YouTube, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today is a very important day because we are getting the windows tinted on the car. This is the first time ever I get this done on any of the cars that I've owned, so I'm definitely excited, and I've actually partnered with Eclipse Window Tinting up there in Cincinnati, Ohio. So you know what, let's go ahead and get rolling. We do have a long drive ahead, so yeah, let's go. Damn. Alright you guys, we have made it here in Cincinnati. We are getting ready to jump in and get the tint done. Definitely take a good look at it because next time you see it, it will be very different. On a side note, I cleaned it yesterday and look what happened on the way here. Ugh, bird. The car is officially done. It looks so good. I put a clip together, that way you guys can see the results, and then we're actually going to talk afterward about the technology used and the benefit from it. But before we do, I do want to give a massive shout out and a massive thank you to Eclipse Window Tinting. Rick and the team, thank you so much for letting me go in the shop and get some footage, some behind the scene on how the job is done. You guys enjoy that little clip, and I'm gonna see you guys right after it. Alright guys, drop a comment below, just let me know what you think. This is called the Vortex IR technology. It actually blocks 96% of the heat coming through the windows, so I'm definitely excited. It's very hot in Kentucky and it gets very hot in the car, so I'm definitely looking forward for the benefits of that technology. As far as the tint, I went 25% all around. I wanted something a little bit dark, but not too dark that I can still see at night. So truly an amazing work done by Eclipse Window Tinting. Thank you team, amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check the link in the description below to their website and to their Instagram. Give them a follow, give them some likes. They definitely deserve it. This vlog is officially over. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. There is so much more coming to the car, so definitely stay up to date. And then check my Instagram, my Facebook and my Twitter. Give me a follow, give me some likes. I would definitely appreciate that. But like I say, vlog is over and I'm going to see you guys real soon. Frenchie out.